I was just really bowled over. I was sent the script, and I didn't know about Whitney Wolfe's story, not only her achievements as a kind of formidable entrepreneur and businesswoman, but what she experienced too throughout that journey, and how she, channeled all her experiences into something so powerful and continues to be break so many boundaries in terms of women and re-engineering kind of gender dynamics online and within the app. And to me, her story just deserves to be, shared and celebrated, and I think it's really inspiring. This movie is entirely sourced from the public domain, so everything I learned was through just studying her and watching her interviews and reading about her. And I found through that research there to be such a strong life force and light and energy that is infectious. And when you're that determined and powerful, I think you draw people in with you along the ride, and you can make a real difference and have real impact. I hope people will be inspired to go after what they believe in, to realize that we can have big impact, like an individual can really shape culture. And I think that particularly as a woman, tech is still a very male-dominated space. A lot of industries, that goes across all industries really. And so, to encourage women and to make sure there's more seats at the table and women in leadership positions and just celebrating such a formidable woman, I think inevitably, I hope, encourages those kinds of conversations. I've really grown, and it's the first time I've been a part of producing, so I think I've learned a lot, and will take that forward with me in my next time I do it.